Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by translating a weight goal into measurable metrics. Set a realistic target, say 5 kilograms in 3 months, and enter it in your health app. Once done, enable activity, heart rate, and workout tracking on your Apple Watch and set move, exercise, and stand goals to match your plan. Make sure to pick a daily calorie goal you can sustain. This drives the watch's coaching and calorie estimates. This first step gets data flowing, so every next action is evidence-based. You now build consistent habits by letting the watch capture your effort and recovery. Select precise workout types, HIIT or strength for high burn, outdoor walk for NEAT, and start each session from the workout app so calories and heart rate zones are recorded. Log meals with the health app or a sync nutrition app to maintain a calorie deficit. The watch uses that to refine active calories. Once a week, review trends for resting heart rate, sleep, and activity rings to adjust intensity and volume. You finish each cycle by evaluating results and making targeted adjustments. Every week, check weight and body fat trends alongside ring completion. If progress stalls for 2 weeks, lower calories slightly or increase weekly high-intensity sessions. Make sure sleep and hydration are adequate because they affect weight loss. If data looks off, recalibrate your watch. Update Watch OS, repair the device, and resync health data. Also check wrist fit for heart rate accuracy. This closes the loop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.